Welcome to Chronic Harmonics. In this video, I'll be showing you how to analyze the Bitcoin chart and set up for the upcoming week. So the first thing that I like to do is look at the higher time frame. The higher the time frame, the more respected the levels are. So we got our monthly, our weekly, and our dailies. So what I start off by doing is marking my support and my resistances. My support are price area where price finds enough demand to bounce or reverse. My resistances are price area where there's a lot of supply and price finds it difficult to break through. General rule of thumb is the more times they're tested, the weaker they become. So how do we find these levels? So first of all, look for two adjacent candles that are level with each other. So I'll give you an example right here. As you can see on the monthly, right here. So what we do is we get a trend line. We then put it on the top of this candle and then mark it. Here we go, monthly, and that's it. So what I like to do is mark them all out and then put it into a little folder. Here you go. So of course I then work my way down. So for my monthly, then to my weekly, which I have marked out here. And then again I do this with my dailies. So here are my dailies. So as you can see right here, we have another resistance. So I'm going to mark that right there. Mark it, tag it as your daily, and then what you do is you hold this and then you just drag it down to your daily levels. So as you can see here, on the Sunday 23rd and the Monday 24th, we found one resistance here. And then on the 2nd of August, it was tested and then it was rejected. Back down here, it dropped. The next thing that I like to do is look for naked point of controls, or your NPOCs. NPOCs are prices at which the largest trading volume has been made over a period of time. So what this basically means is this is where the market makers are investing or withdrawing a lot of money. So again, we go from the highest time frame to the lowest time frame. So our monthlies, weeklies, and then dailies. So for our monthlies, what we do is we go to our weekly time frame. We can use our internal software such as fixed range volume profile. Now here's the first week of July all the way to the end, and there you go. So for the month of July, that's your NPOC. As you can see, it hasn't been touched yet, so that means the naked NPOC. There we go. Now we can use our internal software or we can use external software like Excel charts. Here we go. So there, it just does it automatically for you. Okay, so here are my monthly NPOCs. Feel free to copy them down. Then move down to our weeklies, which is here. And then again, I go to my dailies. Plenty of dailies that haven't been touched yet. Next, I look for order blocks. Order blocks are areas where market makers have their stop losses, and in order to protect their trades, they'll invest more money into the market. So our general rule of thumb is it's the last down before up. And here we go. This would be an order block, and our last up before we go down. So this would be an order block here. So again, what we do is we go from our highest time frame, which is our monthly, and then we work our way down. So as you can see here, here's a monthly order block, another one over there, and that's it for now. Then move down to our weeklies. So again, as you can see, the last down before we go up, last down before we go up, last down before we go up. Next, go down to our dailies. So as you can see, there's quite a few up here and down here. So if you enjoyed that, feel free to subscribe, like and comment. Until next time, guys.